Let's learn some tips and tricks on decorating your Nikoloon frame with balloons. To make our design, we're going to be using two different colors of 5-inch latex balloons, about 30 pieces each. We will also need our low-temperature glue gun, a balloon pump, and a pair of scissors. Pick your main color and blow up a balloon to a size that will fit comfortably inside the frame. Tie the balloon and cut off the rest of the neck. Apply some cool melt glue around the knot and glue the balloon in its place. Only blow up the balloons as you go, making sure their size is just right before tying. Squeezing at the knot will improve the roundness of a balloon. Use the frame itself as a balloon sizer, which can be used to perfectly measure the size of each balloon. After filling most of the space, add some smaller bubbles, made with the same 5-inch balloons, just filled with less air. This will quickly increase the value of your design. The bubbles can also be used to balance the colors to perfection. Now would be the time to return to our assembly instructions video and add a stand to your Nikoloon frame. Of course, you can decorate your frame with almost anything, like modeling balloons, flowers, LED lights, feathers, or even use it as a candy or snack tray. We're excited to see what you create. Show us on Instagram or TikTok. And submit your design to our monthly Best Frame Design Awards at Nikoloon.com.